Gichwecha osebedo obadho maduong' ne joma Wakeyni kotenore kod wechego eko mag siasa kaachiel kod telo mopogore opogore kind oganda e Pachoka indi. Wacha ma kama indi ogol kod jawache lo piny owacho ma piny Canada e Pachoka migosi David da Silva e kinde mane otwak kod ute fwambo e bomano ero ma Kisumu, kama bende notwake achiedh nade ma joma Wakeyni kalo ahinya e kinde gi eki mag siasa ma Pachoka.
I'm here today to meet with partners as part of our Women's Voice and Leadership program. This is a multi-year program in which Canada works with Kenyan organizations to increase the voice and the role of women and girls in Kenyan society. When women are in positions of leadership, be it at the community level, in business, at local, municipal, county, or national levels, things are safer, more prosperous, more peaceful, and there's better accountability. This is why Canada, even in an election year in Kenya, is working to strengthen the voices of women. Obviously, because it's an election year, we can't be partisan. We are not taking sides with one party or another party, with one leader or another leader. But one thing that we are going to say is that we want to see more Kenyan women in positions of power. So in terms of political systems, I think that there is a status quo that people get comfortable with. That's fine. But women represent the single largest constituency in this country. I think that they deserve to be at least equals in the corridors of power as well. And I honestly think that Kenyan women have the capacity. I've already seen this in our discussions today with community organizations. They have the power, they have the will, they have the energy, and they have the drive. So I can't wait to see what the next generation of Kenyan women politicians and leadership looks like.